Good morning, everyone. We are from Group 7. We want to talk about our topic about is regular examination and regular exam. The topic is about examination. My team is me, Eka Aprilia, and Izas, and then Kavera, and then Vera. Okay, I think that's enough, and let's go to start to talking.
Conversation regular visit exclamation. Good morning, Miss Delia. Today you will be my assistant to examine patient in room 1002.
Yes, doctor. Nurse Rose just told me a few minutes ago. She told me that today we are going to examine Sheila White. A patient told me pain in room 102 who suffers typhus.
Yes, all right. Have you prepared all of the need medical equipment?
Yes, doctor. I have prepared team.
Okay, good. Let's go to room 1002.
Okay, doctor.
The doctor and nurse Delia walk to room 1002. Good morning, Sheila.
Good morning, doctor.
Are you feeling better? Is there any progress with your condition?
Yes, doc, I'm feeling better. I just feel a bit worried. Is that normal, doc?
Yes, that's normal. That is not big problem. Do you feel nauseous?
Yes, doc, I feel a bit nauseous, but it's not as bad as the first time I come here.
Okay. How about your stomach? Does it still hurt?
Not really, doc.
How strong is the pain? Let's say in 1 to 10 scale, you describe intensive of the pain?
Between 1 and 2, doc.
Is the pain continuous or does it come and go?
It comes and goes.
All right, Nurse Delia, please check her temperature and blood sugar.
Okay, doctor.
Nurse Delia check her temperature and blood pressure.
Finish, doctor.
Okay, thank you. Let me check them. After I check, your blood pressure is 1020 often 18, and your temperature is 36 Celsius. I can diagnose that your condition is getting better. Your blood pressure is normal and your body temperature is also normal.
Does it mean I can go home today, doc?
I don't think so. You still need intensive treatment. Let's see if there is any progress tomorrow. You may go home.
All right. Okay, doc.
Yes, please.
Okay,
Okay, doc.
Thank you. By the way, how about the service her mom? Is there complaint about that?
I'm very specific about the service here. The doctors and nurses are very friendly and kind. The facility is also good.
All right, thank you. If you need help done, hasten to make the nurse call. I will be ready to help and assist you.
Thank you very much, nurse.
Okay, then I need to visit other patient. Hopefully, hopefully you can recover soon. Good morning.
Amin. Thank you very much, Doc. Good morning.
B. Vocabulary list, medical equipment. ECG machines, weekends, spread, G. Blood pressure monitoring, air irrigation system, 24-hour ABPM, expansion lamps, spirometry and nebulizer, air thermometer. Doppler, vacuum ophthalmoscope, otoscope set.
Ini was
Kak, medical shop.
term meaning. Antiseptic. Antiseptic is liquid used to release or clean the surface of the skin. Bandage. A cloth covering that is placed over and worn to prevent bleeding, swelling, and infection. Bandage scissors. Tools used to cut bandage. Blood pressure monitor. A tool that measures the force of blood flow through a person's body. Dressing. Protective covering that is placed over and a wound. Elastic tape. A thin roll of stretch material that is tight, sticky on one side. I-card. A poster of letter, word, and number combination of various size used to test a person's eyesight. Forceps. Its meaning instrument used during operations and medical procedures, assist the doctor in pulling, holding, and retracing. Gauze. Thin, neat material used for dressing wounds. Bentar. Hypodermic needle. Hypodermic needle is sharp point metal piece that prick the skin attached to a syringe used for taking blood or administering medicine. IV bag. The pouch that contains liquid to be pumped into a patient's body. Medicine cup. Small plastic measuring cup. Microscope. Equipment that makes small things appear larger than they are. Otoscope is the device used for looking into a patient's ears. Oxygen mask. Equipment that fits over the nose and mouth and sees oxygen. Privacy screen. An object that is used separate the doctor and patient from others in open room. Scale. A device to measure a person's weight. Stethoscope. Stethoscope is equipment for listening to a person's heart and lungs. Syringe. A cylinder-shaped piece that attaches to a needle and can be filled with liquid. Table and headrest paper. Paper that is placed on examining table or headrest to prevent the spread of germs. Test tube. The glass cylinder that is filled with blood or other liquids and can be kept and placed in a storage area. Thermometer is an instrument used to check a person's body temperature. Vial, a small bottle container used for storing liquids.
Language focus nominal versus verbal tenses. In them of the predicate, English can be divided into two groups: verbal tense and nominal tense. Verbal tense there is predicate is verb. She likes playing chess. She always do this her very day. I drank a cup of tea this morning. Positive verbal tense. This tense is also called affirmative sense. We go to school by motorcycle every day. I went to school by bus yesterday. I have 3 cute kittens. Negative verbal tense. This tense is indicated by the use of do, does, did, plus not before the verb. Example, I don't like going to school by bus. I did not go anywhere last week. She does not like coffee. Interrogative verb tense. This tense is also called question tense. It is intended by the use of do, does, did at the beginning of tense and is infected by the use of question mark at the end tense. Example, do you like cooking? Does she go to school by bus every day? Did you go somewhere this week? Nominal tense. Nominal tense is a tense that the predicate is not a verb. She, he, it menggunakan is. I, am, she, we are menggunakan are. Contoh di sini wash, past tense, was, past tense, past tense. The nominal tense. Example, she scenery is beautiful. I am a nurse in a big hospital. She was so sad after hearing that news. Negative nominal tense. He is not a junior high school student. I am not sure they will come their student. We was not a smart student when he was in elementary school. Interrogative nominal tense. Example, is she a smart student? Are you a nurse in head hospital? Are you sure about what you are talking about?
A. Read an article below and answer the question. Cancer is a class of diseases characterized by out of control growth. There are of 1,000 different types of cancer, and it is classified by the type of cell that is intensely affected. Cancer harm to body when damaged cars divide uncontrollably to form lumps or masses of tissue called tumors. Extends in the case of leukemia, where cancer probabilities normal blood function by abnormal cell division in the bloodstream. Tumor can grow and interfere with the and circulatory systems, and they can release hormones that alter body function. Tumor that stay in one spot and demonstrate limited growth are generally considered to be benign. Cancer systems are with variance and depends on where the cancer is located, where it has spread, and how big the tumor is. Some cancer can be felt or seen through the skin, a lump on the breast, or distally can be the indicator of cancer is those location. Skin cancer, melanoma is often noted by change in a wart or mole on the skin. Kanker adalah penyakit yang ditandai dengan pertumbuhan sel yang tidak terkendali. Adalah lebih dari 100 jenis kanker yang berbeda. Dan masing-masing dikalibrasi berdasarkan jenis sel yang awalnya terkena. Kanker membahayakan tubuh ketika sel-sel yang rusak, membelah, tak terkendali dari gumpalan atau massa jaringan yang disebut tumor, kecuali dalam kasus leukemia, di mana kanker mengambil fungsi darah normal dengan pembelahan sel abnormal dalam aliran darah. Tumor dapat tumbuh dan mengganggu sistem pencernaan saraf dan peredaran darah, serta dapat melepaskan hormon yang mengubah fungsi tubuh. Tumor yang tinggal di suatu tempat dan menunjukkan pertumbuhan terbatas umumnya dianggap jinak. Gejala kanker cukup beragam dan tergantung di mana kanker itu berada, di mana penyebaran dan seberapa besar tumornya. Beberapa kanker dapat dirasakan atau terlihat melalui kulit. Benjolan pada payudara atau testis dapat menjadi indikator kanker di lokasi tersebut. Kanker kulit atau melona sering ditandai dengan perubahan kulit atau tai lalat pada kulit. Beberapa kanker mulut menghadirkan bercak putih di dalam mulut atau bintik-bintik putih di lidah. Kanker lain memiliki gejala yang kurang terlihat secara fisik. Beberapa tumor otak cenderung menunjukkan gejala pada awal penyakit karena mempengaruhi fungsi kognitif yang penting. Kanker pankreas biasanya yang terlalu kecil untuk menimbulkan gejala sampai menimbulkan rasa sakit dan menekan saraf di dekat atau mengganggu fungsi hati yang menyebabkan kulit dan mata menguning dan tersebut penyakit kuning. Gejala juga dapat muncul saat tumor tumbuh menekan organ dan pembuluh darah. Deteksi dini kanker dapat sangat meningkatkan kemungkinan keberhasilan dan pengobatan dan kelangsungan hidup. Dokter menggunakan informasi dari gejala dan beberapa prosedur yang lain untuk mendiagnosis kanker. Teknik pencitraan seperti sinar X, CT scan, MRI scan, PET scan, dan ultrasound scan digunakan secara teratur untuk mendeteksi di mana letak tumor dan organ yang apa yang mungkin terpengaruh olehnya. Dokter juga dapat melakukan dan endoskopi, yaitu prosedur yang menggunakan lambung tipis dengan kamera dan lampu di salah satu dan mencari kelainan di dalam tubuh. Suara.
Vocabulary. 1. Loops, gumpalan bengkak, itu biasa pada leher. 2. Tissue, itu jaringan. 3. Digestive, pencernaan yang terkait dengan pencernaan. Nervous, gelisah, gugup. Circulation system, sistem peredaran darah. Bikin, lunak, tidak berbahaya. Testicle, buah pelir atau biji kemaluan. Word, kutil. Mole, tai lalat. Patches, potongan kecil di bagian mata. Health in illness and disease vocabulary. 1. Pain, feeling in your body when you have been hurt or when you are well sick. Example 1. She felt a strong pain in her neck and shoulder. 2. She will take the medicine to relieve the pain. A continuous pain, feel a continuous pain. Example 1. The mother cannot sleep because her head aches so bad. 2. I don't think I cannot do with you to the supermarket. I have a terribility head check. Will suffer from an answer disease, not feeling well sick. Example 1. My older sister is feeling in Bunda Hospital. 2. The people started to feel ill and or after the dinner. Sick. Physical, you're mentally wanting to vomit. Example 1. I feel very sick. I don't think I can go to campus today. 2. Don't forget to take the vitamin illness. You won't go get sick. 5. Sore, painful, and often red because of infection or because a muscle has been used too much. Example 1. I will eat proper since I have a sore throat. 2. His feet were sore after the exercise. 6. Illness, the state of being physical or mentally ill. Example 1. My lecture is a lot of throat illness, less month. 2. I don't think she got a serious illness. 7. Diseases. Very illness often caused by infection. Example 1. The spread of the illness should be stopped soon. 2. Her father has a lung disease. 8. He'll become healthy again. Make somebody healthy again. Make somebody feel happy again. Example 1. It will take a long time to heal the stretch. 2. The cake you made really hurt me. 8. Cure. Make somebody or something healthy again after an illness. Make a illness go away. Example, I'm sure that the doctor will be able to cure my disease. 2. Is medicine of the medicine is recovered to cure my health. 10. Cure medicine and medical treat that cure an illness, the act of curing or the process of being cured. Example, the cure. 2. The should be taken to hospital for the cure. 11. Treat. Give medical care of attention to body or something. Deal with something or body or somebody. Example 1. I was treated for typhus. 2. This illness is usually treated with antibiotic. 12. To treatment. The way progress of curing an illness or curing or making somebody look and feel good. The way of dealing with something or somebody. Example 1. Serious treatment have be applied by the doctor. 2. My sister goes to beauty center to have face treatment very much. Diagnose define that illness or the cause of a problem. Example 1. The blood test can be caused to diagnose all kinds of diseases. 2. We was diagnosed cancer in her early childhood. Diagnosis, medical description of an illness or condition. Example 1. My family want to know the detail of the diagnosis. 2. I'm parents are hurrying to diagnosis of my disease. Injury, harm done to the body, for example, in an attack. Example 1. She got seriously injured after the accident. 2. The injury are being treated by a nurse. Nurse injury harm somebody or yourself physical expel and in a active deeper or softer and injury. Example 1. He injured his finger when he was cutting the vegetables. 2. Two people were seriously injured in the accident. Wound and injury to part of the body, especially one in which two holes is made in the skin. Example 1. She got he would form the active Lexman. 2. She was taken to the hospital because it would them so serious. Bruise, a blue, brown, or purple mark of the skin somebody has felt. Example number 1. The bruise had after the match have gone. 2. He was a bruise free is stretch, rub your skin with your knife. Usually because it's touching marks of or a small cut ear injury made by stretching. Example 1. The child stretched his itching skin. 2. He had a long stretch after the accident. Infection. Illness caused by bacteria or a virus. The attack or process of causing or getting a disease. Example number 1. The infection will get worse if you do not take care of it well. 2. Her father died because of blood infection. inflammation, a condition when a part of the body comes red, sore, and swollen because of infection or injury. Example, number 1, the inflammation has caused a tooth for me. 2, the child is crying because of her inflammation. Symptoms: a charger in your body, your mind, that so that you are not healthy. Example, number 1, you should help the doctor about the symptom clearly. Number 2, the expression can cause physical symptom. Temperature, the measure of how hot your body is. Example, he had a high temperature last night. The nurse is checking his temperature.
Fever, a medical condition in which someone has a temperature that is higher than normal, a particular type of disease with high temperature. Example, the doctor got this to produce my fever. My cousin diagnosed with scarlet fever 2025 called illness affecting the nerve and for throat, making you cough and or sneeze. Example, I think I caught a cold because of the rain last night. She can come to school because she caught a cold. 26. Flu, a very bad cold and infection disease with fever, pains, and sickness. Example, don't come near me. I have a flu. The flu has been spread out. 27. Vomit. Discharge stomach contents through the mouth. Example, the children vomit soon after they ate the meal. I vomit after getting up every morning. Medicine, as a substance that you drink or swallow so as to cure an illness. Example, have you taken your medicine this morning? The doctor prescribed two kinds of medicine for me. 29. Antibiotic. Medicine that kills bacterial and cures infection. Example, my flu has went away after I took the antibiotic. Don't forget to take the antibiotic after the meal. Painkiller, kind of medicine that takes away some or all of the discomfort of an illness or injury. Example, I took two painkiller because I got a terrible headache last night. My mother has thrown away my painkillers. Blood pressure, the rate at which blood flow through the body. Example, I think my blood pressure is too low. The nurse is checking my mother's blood pressure. Pulse, the regular beat of blood as it is sent around the body. Example, the doctor said I have weak pulse. The doctor started the examination by checking my pulse. Patient, a person staying in a hospital or medical facility. Example, the patient in room 102 suffers lung damage. There were so many patients waiting to consult to the doctor that I finally went home. Okay. surgery, a place where a doctor or dentist see patient medical treatment of injuries or disease involving cutting open somebody's body. Example, the surgery went well. I don't want to have a surgery. Operation, cutting open a part of somebody's body in order to remove or cure a part. Example, the operation was led by a senior surgeon. The operation is scheduled tomorrow. Operation theater, a room in a hospital used for operating theater. Example, the patient died on the way to the operating theater. She felt nervous as she looked around the operation theater. Chemist or shop, a shop where medicine is sold. Example, the doctor suggests to go to the chemist for the medicine right after the surgery. The chemist is so far away from my house. Prescription, an official piece of paper filled out by a doctor with which you can get medicine from a chemist shop. Example, the doctor is signing the prescription from my mom. I will keep the prescription. I may need it later. Past future tense. It used to express the idea, then is the past and action even way we predict, plan it, promise, expect it, or obligate to be done in the future or past. Doesn't matter if the idea is correct or not. Time signal. Cara adalah cara untuk mengetahui kalimat yang sedang dibicarakan menggunakan tense apa dapat dikenali dengan melihat konteks serta keterangan waktu yang digunakan. Biasanya past future tense menggunakan keterangan waktu sebagai berikut. Yesterday, kemarin, last week, pekan lalu, last month, bulan lalu, last year, tahun lalu, the next day, keesokan harinya, the day before, sebelum hari ini, the week before, minggu sebelumnya, the month before, bulan sebelumnya. Masih aku ya. Fungsi past future tense. Menyatakan rencana di masa lampau namun faktanya tidak pernah terjadi atau gagal. We shall go to Jakarta last month. Kita seharusnya pergi ke Jakarta bulan lalu. Tapi kenyataannya tidak atau gagal pergi ke Jakarta. Yesterday, we will like to visit you, but it rained very hard. Kemarin kami akan mengunjungimu, tapi sayangnya hujan turun dengan lebat. Tidak mengunjungi sama sekali karena hujan lebat. Menyatakan kejadian yang tidak terjadi di masa lampau karena syaratnya tidak terpenuhi. If Danu study hard, he will pass the exam. Seandainya Danu belajar dan giat, maka dia akan lolos tes. Namun kenyataannya Alex tidak lolos tes karena syarat tidak terpenuhi, yaitu tidak belajar dengan giat. Permintaan secara sopan. Would you read the book for me, please? Bisakah kamu membacakan buku ini untukku? Would you help me, please? Bisakah kamu membantu saya? Atau tindakan yang menjadikan keharusan. We should study hard to pass the exam. Kita seharusnya belajar lebih giat untuk lolos tes. We should work hard to become a success person. Kita seharusnya bekerja keras untuk menjadi orang yang sukses. Rumusnya yaitu kakak ya
udah nggak apa-apa Kak.
Enggak, aku gak lihat catatan, gak lihat itu halamannya, jadi nggak tahu.
Rumus past future tense memiliki dua bentuk yang berbeda. Pertama merupakan bentuk lampau modal shall, will, sehingga penggunaan pada past future tense menjadi short word Kedua merupakan bentuk lampau dari kata kerja bantu be, yaitu am, is, are, menjadi was, were, dan ditambah going to. Not word plus not dapat disingkat menjadi word not. Begitu juga dengan short ditambah not dapat disingkat dengan short. S sama dengan subject, auxiliary verb, what atau was, were, going to. Was untuk I, she, he, it. Were untuk they, we, you. Berinfinitive verb, one tanpa penambahan minus s, is. Rumus jenis kalimat positif S tambah short word tambah beer invention Mr. President word speak to the people. S tambah was our tambah going to tambah beer invited. She was going to read a new book. S tambah short word tambah not tambah beer invited. Mr. President would not speak to the people. Negative. S tambah was were tambah not going to bear invited. She was not going to read a new book. Short word tambah S tambah bear invited. Word Mr. President speak to the people. Interrogative was, were, tambah S, tambah going to, tambah bear, infinitive, was, is going to read a new book. Contoh kalimat positif, he should be in Banten next month. Dia akan telah berada di Banten bulan depan. Negatif, he should not be in Banten next month. Dia tidak akan telah berada di Banten bulan depan. Tanda tanya, should he be in Banten next month? Apakah dia akan telah berada di Banten bulan depan? Would be picked up when you're at the station tomorrow. Saya akan sedang untuk menjemput ketika kamu tiba di stasiun besok. Would not be picked up when you arrive at the station tomorrow. Saya tidak akan sudah menjemput ketika kamu tiba di stasiun besok. Tanda tanya, would you be picked up when I arrive at the station tomorrow? Apakah kamu akan sudah menjemput ketika saya tiba di stasiun besok? Tutup ya, Kak Eka.
Okay, guys. Our material is finished. Somebody of you have a question? Please give me question.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for watching.
Maafin ya Kak Eka, Kak Ijaz.
Bentar Kak,
Gak
belum
apa-apa,
selesai.
Kak.
Stop. Belum.
Ada.